Hey, today I'm going to teach you one of the author's purpose, and it's explain. So with explain, the author wants to tell you how to do something or how something works. So we're going to do it today with Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. First, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, break along pre-scored lines. Place cookies 2 inches apart on ungreased baking sheet. Third, bake 11 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. So remember, this is an example of when the author is trying to teach you how to do something or how something works, like reading a recipe, and often it can be really yummy. Mmm.